Wow, episode 45. We are entering the flat, and this is the platform base work of the platform which has been erected today. In yesterday's video, I had mentioned you that this sunken slab was due for waterproofing, which is waterproofed partially. So the waterproofing first layer was done. Now the second layer is also done today. This is the proposed dining table area. So dining area rather. So the window work, partial brickwork was also completed today. Framing I've already covered. The false ceiling framing was being done. So this is the glimpse of the false ceiling framework. For false ceiling, I'm maintaining a flat design with a cove element. So gradually you'll be understanding the designing of the false ceiling as well. Moving ahead to the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, as such, no major work happened today. I have already covered the civil work, I mean the tiling and the niche work, door framing, window framing work of the master bathroom. Moving ahead to the common bathroom, we have successfully completed 2.5 walls of the common bathroom area. The rest is in progress. Now in the kids bedroom as such, it is the material which is stacked, and this window, the adjoining brickwork is yet to be done. So guys, thank you so much. Do comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Hope you are enjoying the series.